Bw'abadde atongoza eddagala lino, Pulezidenti Museveni ategeezezza nga bw'atasobola kukkiriza ndowooza ya kwesigamira ku bazungu buli kadde, ekintu ekiviiriddeko abaddugavu okufa.
I don't know what's the problem with Africans. How they can sit here like maggots and they are dying and they are waiting for Europeans to save them. If the Europeans don't get a vaccine, we shall die and all will get finished. If they don't get a solution, we shall die. This one I cannot accept. I really feel infuriated when I see Africans sitting here waiting to die if the Europeans don't find a solution.
Ono agambye nti Afrika erina ebyobugagga bingi bwe kituuka ku malagala nga n'amawanga g'abazungu nabo amalagala bagawona wano olwo ate ne bagaseera abaddugavu.
So this ideology of self-sufficiency is something I would like to really appeal to you to infect, because if you can be infected by corona, can I also infect you with self-confidence, so that you don't wait for foreigners to come and solve your problems.
Ono era ayogedde ne ku nsonga eviirako ebikozesebwa okulwawo okutuuka kuno, kyagambye nti kino kiva ku bakayungirizi ssaako n'obuli bw'enguzi obususse.
How can anybody even spend an afternoon wasting time with such idiocy? The procurement law. This procurement was made by slaves. The wonderful people, clever people, Uganda government cannot pay unless you have supplied. They are talking about beans.
Dr. Monica Musenero nga y'omu ku bakulembeddemu mu kunoonyereza ku ddagala lino ategeezezza nti waliwo okusoomozebwa mu bakugu bwe balina abatalina bumanyirivu ku byuma bikalimagezi.
Although it was not coordinated to give us products, so we needed gap filling in order to have capacity to produce products. They were not oriented to products, and that has been a continuous and continues to be an engagement to continuously remind the science, please, we are working towards the product we are going to sell, we are working towards the product to save people. And one of them recently remarked and said, Dr. Musenero, it's a different thing to be a research scientist and a different thing to be a manufacturer.
Ye Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng yeebazizza Pulezidenti okuteeka amaanyi mu ddagala lino era n'annyonnyola ku ngeri eddagala lino gye ligenda okusaasaanyizibwamu ko n'enkola yaalyo.
The national guidelines involving human participants has been applied in the processing of this study. As you have heard, it is a randomized placebo double-blind study using a natural homegrown product codenamed UBV01N. The study objective is to assess the effectiveness of this natural product in the treatment of COVID-19 patients. Initially, the study will enroll adult COVID inpatients who have various degrees of severity of symptoms of COVID-19 from mild to severe.
Eddagala lino litongozeddwa olunaku lw'olwaleero okusinziira ku bakugu lye lisoose okukolebwa mu bugwanjuba bwa Afrika ng'eddagala erigema COVID-19. Mu kaseera kano gavumenti yakutandika okuligezesa nga terinnaba kutwalibwa mu bantu. Nze Hasif Sekiwunga ku lwa STV Select ey'enjawulo.